Summer Meteor Shower. Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. We've got good news and some even better news. The good news is that the Perseid meteor shower, traditionally the best meteor shower of the year, will peak Wednesday night, August 12th through Thursday morning, August 13th.
But the even better news is that the moon will be out of the picture during the peak, meaning we'll have extra dark skies for watching the Perseids this year.
Get prepared because we're going to share our tips and tricks for observing a meteor shower.
The best time to look for the Perseid meteor shower is late at night on the 12th of August and into the early morning of the 13th.
Here's rule number 1. Hope it's clear, because if it's cloudy or raining, you won't see any meteors at all.
Rule number 2. Get as far away from city lights as possible, because even though you may see a handful of the brightest meteors from city locations, the city lights flood the sky with so much sky glow that nowadays many of the meteors in a meteor shower are hidden from view.
Rule number 3. Observe while lying on the ground, on a blanket, or in a lawn chair. In other words, keep looking up. No telescopes and no binoculars are needed.
Rule number 4. Stay outside for at least a couple of hours, preferably after midnight, and have plenty of patience.
If you follow these rules, you can expect to see several meteors per hour, and maybe many more. Simply lie back and constantly scan the sky, and usually, when you least expect it, a meteor or even two will zip across the sky.
Now, although some astronomy websites will tell you that you may see 60 meteors per hour, which would boil down to about 1 a minute, meteors really don't operate on a time schedule. You may see 10 of them in 2 minutes and then have to wait like 20 minutes to see another one. But that's the fun of it, because each meteor is a total surprise.
Okay, we've got our skies set up for the usual peak time to view, August 13th after midnight. About halfway up from the horizon, you'll see the W shape of Cassiopeia. Look a little below Cassiopeia, and that's where the meteors will appear to originate, the constellation Perseus.
I know that it is really early, but the meteor shower will be at its best before dawn on the 13th.
Wonder why they're called the Perseids? Well, meteor showers are named for the constellation from where the meteors appear to originate. But what exactly is a meteor? Let's take you out into space and explain.
Meteors are the flashes of light we see when tiny specks of space debris slam into our Earth's atmosphere and light up. You see, every time a comet visits our sun, it sheds tons of debris, and eventually this stuff gets spread out along the comet's path.
If our Earth plows into this path, these tiny pieces of comet litter will slam into our Earth's atmosphere, traveling many miles per second. The particles themselves are far too small to be seen, but the friction of these particles hitting the air causes the air surrounding them to heat up, and you see streaks of light.
And we call these streaks of light meteors, or incorrectly, falling stars. The meteors we see during the Perseid meteor shower each August are debris from a comet named Swift-Tuttle.
And our Earth plows through its debris field about the same time every August. The Perseid meteor shower is one of the oldest recorded meteor showers in history and has been seen every August for over 2,000 years. Now, let me remind you of the single most important rule for observing a meteor shower, which is you must constantly scan the sky and have patience. You may not see meteors for 20 minutes or so, and then, all of a sudden, 2 or 3 may flash by all at once.
But each time you see a Perseid streak across the sky, remind yourself that what you're actually seeing is a tiny comet piece igniting your night. Keep looking up.